Christmas is over, New Year's come and gone. Still got my beard, we'll see how long that lasts. But it's time to get back on the van. Spent today looking at the electrics box. We're booked in to have the solar panels fitted. The company that's supplying them very kindly offered to help us out there. Partly because the roof isn't as flat as we thought it was going to be. There's lots of ridges up there. But more about that when we do the video looking at the solar panels. Today's job was to look at the electrics box. So when we go down to have it fitted, we've got the space and everything ready. Then is put a partition in for making the electrics box. It gives us somewhere to fasten the fuse box and the solar controller. We still haven't decided whether we're going to put in a 240 volt system yet. I'm not sure we need it, but somebody's advised us if it's there, it's there. I've swapped the battery round, turned it round. We've still got the diesel heater in, which isn't obviously going to move, isn't moving. But we're now there, fixed, ready for the guys to fit the solar panels. That's going to be coming into the roof up here somewhere, coming down through the conduits, down that side of the panel and into the electrics box. It should be fairly straightforward. Now we've got somewhere to attach all the bits, and away we go. I know it doesn't look like we've done a lot this afternoon, but what I've spent a bit of time is getting my head around where we were before Christmas, where we're heading, what's the next section to do, and so on. So I've got my head around it all again now, and also ready for the solar panels. So things will move on fairly quickly, I hope.